Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make 7-layer taco dip. Start by spreading 1 can of refried beans in a shallow dish, then layer seasoned sour cream and guacamole. Keep layers even and press gently to avoid mixing. Add chopped tomatoes, shredded cheese, sliced olives, and green onions on top. Chill before serving to let flavors marry. I'll offer tips for variations and serving with chips or veggies. Let's go over ingredient choices that make a big difference. Use full-fat sour cream for a richer mouthfeel and better stability. Fresh guacamole with lime and salt brightens the dip more than store tubs. Pick sharp cheddar or Mexican blend for optimal melt and flavor contrast. Rinse canned beans if needed and pat tomatoes dry to prevent wateriness. These small choices yield a cleaner, tastier 7-layer taco dip. Assembly is where the dish comes alive, and a steady hand helps. Start with beans, then smooth on seasoned sour cream, followed by guacamole, salsa, shredded cheese, tomatoes, olives, and green onions. Keep layers tidy and avoid overfilling the dish to prevent spills. Chill at least 1 hour so layers set and scoop cleanly. Serve with hearty corn chips, pita wedges, or crisp vegetables and watch it disappear at your gathering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.